In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no sound on Google Maps. So if you want Google Maps to give you directions verbally, but it isn't working, try these and we should be able to fix it and get it working. So what I would do first is make sure your phone isn't on silent mode. So just turn it off silent mode to the normal mode and make sure your volume is turned up all the way. Once we've done these obvious fixes, you can go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, go to settings. Here you should then be able to go to navigation, and here you've got sound and voice. Make sure this is set to unmute, and then here you've got guidance volume. I would go ahead and change this to louder. Now you may be having issues with your Bluetooth, so you can disable this and see if your Google Maps gives you navigation directions when it's not playing over Bluetooth. You can also enable this again and then connect to your car's Bluetooth. So make sure when you swipe down, you can go to your Bluetooth settings and just make sure you're connected to your car's Bluetooth. Apart from that, if that still isn't working, you may want to turn your phone off and on or install the app and reinstall it. But all in all, that's all the settings you can change. Let me know in the comment section below if any of those work.